Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep, plunging into the crystal clear waters of the ocean to spend some time with one of its most ancient and beloved residents, the sea turtle. These gentle giants have been navigating our planet's oceans for over 100 million years. Long before dinosaurs roamed the Earth, they are true survivors, living fossils that connect us to a prehistoric world. So, grab your virtual snorkel and let's explore the incredible daily life of a sea turtle. Imagine the first light of dawn filtering through the water's surface, casting dancing patterns on the seabed. This is when our day begins. A green sea turtle, perhaps one we'll call kai, which means sea in Hawaiian, slowly stirs from its resting spot. Turtles aren't deep sleepers like us. They take short, periodic naps, often tucked away under a rocky ledge or nestled into a coral reef for protection from predators like tiger sharks. When they sleep in deeper water, they can slow their heart rate down to an incredible 9 minutes between beats, allowing them to stay submerged for hours at a time. As Kai awakens, the first order of business is a breath of fresh air. With a few powerful strokes of its paddle-like flippers, it gracefully ascends to the surface, breaks through the calm morning water, takes a deep gulp of air, and then descends back into the blue expanse. With its lungs full, it's time for breakfast. Depending on the species, a turtle's diet can vary quite a bit. Kai, being a green sea turtle, is primarily a vegetarian as an adult. Its name actually comes from the color of its body fat, which is green from all the algae and seagrass it eats. We watch as Kai glides effortlessly over a lush meadow of seagrass, using its serrated beak to meticulously graze, much like a cow in a pasture. This grazing is incredibly important for the ecosystem. It keeps the seagrass beds healthy and productive, which in turn provides a crucial habitat for countless other marine species, from tiny fish to conchs. They are the gardeners of the sea, and their work is never done. Other species have different tastes. A hawksbill turtle, for example, uses its sharp, bird-like beak to feed on sponges found in coral reefs. This is a tough meal. Sponges are full of glassy, needle-like particles called spiculas, but hawksbills are uniquely adapted to handle them. Then there's the mighty loggerhead, with its powerful jaws designed to crush the shells of crabs, clams, and whelks. And we can't forget the largest of them all, the leatherback. These deep-diving behemoths travel thousands of miles across oceans, feeding almost exclusively on jellyfish and other soft-bodied invertebrates. It's amazing to think about the sheer variety of roles these turtles play in maintaining the balance of their marine environments. As the sun climbs higher, the ocean becomes a bustling metropolis. Kai might encounter other turtles, sometimes gathering in groups at what are known as cleaning stations. This is a fascinating bit of social behavior. Small fish and shrimp act as a personal hygiene crew, nibbling away at algae and parasites that grow on the turtle's shell and skin. It's a classic win-win. The turtle gets a much-needed spa day, and the cleaner fish get a tasty meal. You can see the turtles relaxing, extending their flippers to allow the cleaners access to every nook and cranny. It's a peaceful, cooperative scene that showcases the intricate connections within a coral reef community. Navigating the vast ocean is no small feat, but sea turtles are master navigators. They are believed to use the Earth's magnetic field as an internal compass, allowing them to travel enormous distances on their migrations. Some species travel thousands of miles between their feeding grounds and the beaches where they were born to lay their own eggs. This incredible journey, guided by an unseen force, is one of the great mysteries and marvels of the natural world. They carry a map of the ocean imprinted in their very being. Midday might bring a bit of playtime, or what looks like it to us. We might see turtles gracefully flying through the water, riding the ocean currents with minimal effort. They are poetry in motion, their movements fluid and seemingly weightless despite their size. They might interact with other sea creatures, perhaps a pod of curious dolphins or a majestic manta ray gliding by, while much of their life is solitary. These moments of interaction remind us that they are part of a larger, vibrant community beneath the waves. But life in the ocean is not without its challenges. Plastic pollution is a huge threat. A floating plastic bag can look tragically similar to a jellyfish, a primary food source for many turtles. Entanglement in discarded fishing nets, often called ghost nets, is another serious danger, preventing them from surfacing for air. Boat strikes in busy coastal areas also take a heavy toll. Beyond these direct threats, climate change is impacting them in profound ways. The temperature of the sand where eggs are incubated determines the sex of the hatchlings. Warmer sands lead to more females, which could create a serious gender imbalance in future populations and threaten their ability to reproduce. As our day with Kai winds down, the setting sun paints the sky in hues of orange and purple. Kai finds a safe spot to rest for the night, perhaps the same cozy ledge from the morning. The rhythm of the ocean continues, a timeless cycle of breathing, feeding, and resting. The life of a sea turtle is a story of resilience, of ancient instincts, and of a deep, unbreakable connection to the sea. They are living symbols of the health of our oceans. When they thrive, it's a sign that the marine world is in balance. Their survival is our responsibility. We can all make a difference by reducing our use of single-use plastics, properly disposing of our trash, and supporting organizations dedicated to turtle conservation and habitat protection. Every small action helps protect these magnificent mariners and ensures they can continue to grace our oceans for another 100 million years. Thanks for joining me on this underwater adventure today. It's truly a privilege to get a glimpse into the world of these incredible animals. If you enjoyed this journey and want to learn more about our planet's amazing wildlife, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next expedition. See you next time.